Hey guys, Ryan Harris Brown here with Green Hills Guitar Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. A very quick song to work on when you're first getting your fingers going for fingerpicking, fingerstyle guitar. I like to go over Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. I feel like it's a very applicable tune. If you learn, once you get the right hand fingers, the pattern going, you could apply it to a lot of tunes. It's basically Travis picking, which is a concept you could look up. It's where the thumb is alternating, kind of like what a bass would do. It's going for each chord you play. But between those thumb hits, we're going to be picking with our index, middle. You have your ring too, but you're really using your index and middle for this tune. First, the chords. Capo on 3, if you want to play to the record key. We got a C. Nothing fancy about the C. We have a G over B, which I would play this way. Second finger on the B, which is going to be second fret of your A string, and then fourth finger, third fret of your B string. That's outlining a G chord without really playing a low G that you would have here. And then we have an A minor 7, which is an A minor without your third finger on your G string. So the chords are C, G over B, A minor 7, and back to G over B actually. And I would grip them that way, especially the G over B. Your first finger might want to kind of take over and play the root there, but then you kind of lose position. It's kind of all about having your first finger around that first fret of your B string for each chord. Even though I'm not using it, it's ready to go here. All right, so the first pass through the chords you'd want to practice would be something like this. Just your thumb going 5th string, 4th string for each chord. And over and over and over. This is just the verse part. Second, you would probably want to start adding your first finger pick, which is going to be, I believe, a pluck on the G string. Right? Third, I believe we're going to add another pluck on the B string. I played that wrong. It'd be, I want to have that 4th finger down on that B string. And I'm going thumb, index, thumb, middle. Next, we're going to add, I believe, another pick on the G string with our index. Almost there. I want to add probably the thumb and the pick after that now. So that was actually it. And that's the whole pattern. What you do is you just practice that at a very slow tempo. There is no rush. The important thing is to get the hand trained over here. If you're at this point of playing guitar, these chords are not going to be too much of an issue. But you can start, just if you need to work on the chord shapes, just strumming through them in time with the music. Be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And eventually, bring it up to speed. It's a great tune to start finger picking with. You could do a lot with it. Take it to other chords. I mean, there's a shift happening. I'm playing a D chord now, so I'm kind of bringing my right hand. Everything's going to be down a string. Yeah, it's a good gateway into that. If you get it down, you'll be on your way with your finger picking. All right, I'll be back soon. Take care.